Hello friends, today we'll start curl of a vector function. Okay, let f bar be the continuous vector, continuous vector function, such that f bar is equals to f bar is a function of u1, u2, u3. We may write f bar is equals to f1 e1 cap plus f2 e2 cap plus f3 e3 cap. Okay. Therefore curl f bar is equals to del cross f. Put the value of f equals to del cross f1 e1 cap plus f2 e2 cap plus f3 e3 cap. Therefore del cross f1 e1 cap plus del cross f2 e2 cap plus del cross f3 e3 cap. Equation number first. Let us consider first term on RHS this equation. So we can write del cross f1 e1 cap is equals to del cross f1 h1 del u1. Therefore, you know that del u1 is equals to e1 cap upon h1. So we can write e1 cap is equals to h1 del u1. Put the value of e1 cap here. Del cross f1 h1 del u1. Okay. Then del cross f1 e1 cap is equals to f1 h1 del cross del u1 plus del into f1 h1 cross del u1. Okay, but del cross del u1 is equals to 0. Okay, del cross del u1 is 0. So this term is 0. Okay, therefore del cross f1 e1 cap is equals to del into f1 h1 cross del u1. Okay. Then del cross f1 e1 cap is equals to del into f1 h1 cross. Put the value of del u1 cross e1 cap upon h1. Equation number second. We know that del is equals to e1 cap upon h1 dabba u1 plus e2 cap upon h2 dabba u2 plus e3 cap upon h3 dabba u3. Okay. put this value of equation number second. So we can write therefore del cross F1 E1 cap is equals to E1 cap upon H1 dabba by U1 plus E2 cap upon H2 dabba U2 plus E3 cap upon H3 dabba U3 into F1 H1 cross E1 cap upon H1 then is equals to E1 cap upon H1 dabba into F1 H1 upon dabba U1 cross E1 cap upon H1 plus E2 cap upon H2 dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U2 cross E1 cap upon H1 plus E3 cap upon H3 dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U3 cross E1 cap upon H1 is equals to you know that E1 cross E1 is 0. So this term will be 0. Then 0 plus E2 cross E1 cap is equals to minus E3. So write here minus E3 cap upon H2 H1 into dabba into F1 H1 upon dabba U2 plus E3 cap cross E1 cap is E2 cap. So you can write E2 cap upon H1 H3 dabba into F1 H1 upon dabba U3. Okay. Then therefore del cross F1 E1 cap is equals to E2 cap upon H1 H3 into dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U3 minus E3 cap upon H2 H1 into dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U2. Equation number third. Similarly, del cross F2 E2 cap is equals to E3 cap upon H1 H2 into dabba F2 H2 upon dabba U1 minus E1 cap upon H2 H3 into dabba F2 H2 upon dabba U3. Equation number 4. And del cross F3 E3 cap is equals to E1 cap upon H2 H3 into dabba F3 H3 upon dabba U2 minus E2 cap upon H3 H1 into dabba F3 H3 upon dabba U1. Equation number 5th. Then now take a common for first. Therefore, first is E1 cap upon H2 H3. E1 cap upon H2 H3. So we can write del cross F bar is equals to E1 cap upon H2 H3 into dabba F3 H3 upon dabba U2 minus dabba F2 H2 upon dabba U3. Second, plus E2 cap upon H3 H1 into dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U3 minus dabba F3 H3 upon dabba U1. Now third is plus E3 cap upon H1 H2 into dabba F2 H2 upon dabba U1 minus dabba F1 H1 upon dabba U2. Equation number 6. We can write del cross F in the form of determinant as curl F bar is equals to del cross F is equals to 1 upon H1 H2 H3 1 upon H1 H2 H3 into H1 E1 cap H2 E2 cap H3 E3 cap dabba by dabba U1 dabba by dabba U2 dabba by dabba U3 F1 H1 F2 H2 F3 H3. Equation number 7 is represents the expression for curl of a vector in orthogonal curvilinear coordinates. Thank you.